Hey everybody, it's Austin Angler here, and I just wanted to talk about Ethereum right now. It is June 13th, and the current price, let me check for you right now. It is at 389.34. Now, I just switched back from being out of the position there to being long. I wasn't able to capture some of the downside that I wish I would have. A couple days ago. That was a huge issue that I want to talk about first. Everybody saw that it pulled back to $310, and then Coinbase magically got it was down for maintenance. So what I feel like happened, and it's only an opinion and a theory and matter, is that Coinbase basically didn't have enough Ethereum on its books to fulfill all those transactions, so they put their site down for maintenance, and they themselves went in and bought a ton of Ethereum. Then they drove the price right back up to $360, $370. That was this last Monday, yesterday. So that's what I think happened with the price drop down to 310, and I was looking for it to drop down to about 370, and that seems to be the price that it did stabilize at. But I think these are still very healthy, very attractive prices. Even though some of the posts you'll see me trading here and there, getting in and out, calling tops and bottoms and shorting in some situations. I trade the charts. I have been trading for 13 years, and since this isn't ran specifically by the banks or any large government institution, Steve Mnuchin, Treasury Secretary for Donald Trump right now, isn't in the basement of the White House, pressing the buy button. But there are a lot of countries that are signing on. Russia, Japan, the U.S. actually has given support for the blockchain. I believe it was Mike Pence, our vice president's chief economist, has supported the blockchain. Those are some of the good things that we're hearing about, especially Ethereum, since it's so universally backed by all the tech companies, banks. They're trying to build applications on top of the Ethereum blockchain and the Ethereum token. So, we think that the price, I think the price is going to go 500 to 700, and that's my middle term target here for maybe into summer, fall, and the year predictions. So, short term, I think healthy would be sideways. If we got back up into the 450s, that's okay too. I think that's also a healthy price, but I think if we skyrocket up to the 500 and the 700s too quickly, then we will have another large pullback. I don't think that we're going to have, too much of a pullback into the 200s. I believe once we get to the 500s, we might pull back into the lower 400s. I did watch it when it went from 220 down to 115. That was almost a 50% retracement. And with something so new and with so many new investors getting into this cryptocurrency market, I believe that there's a lot of panic sellers. A lot of people will see the price skyrocket up. Some people will take profits and then sell it down. And a lot of the new investors will see their profits and their values just decline rapidly, and they'll jump ship. As soon as they jump ship, though, that's typically a good point to buy. And so you see these exchanges aren't regulated yet. We saw, what Coinbase did, I believe, when they dropped the price down to 310, locking people out. And is it criminal? Yes, but is it regulated? No. So we have to be cautious. I would never put my life savings into this. If you are a new investor, I would dabble into it, step into it, take your time, and buy some of it at some points, and buy some more at other points. And when it pulls back $20, $30, I think that's a better time to buy than when it runs up $20 or $30. You know, that's what I have experienced, and that's my experience in trading in general. So, you know, keep doing what you're doing. Do your research. I do think Ethereum is the best cryptocurrency currently. Bitcoin is a store of value. Ethereum is a model for the future. You also have Ripples and Dash and Zcash. I don't like those, and Monero. I don't like those because I don't think that they have the backing that Ethereum has. Ethereum is kind of like the Bitcoin 2.0, and so it's a favorable investment right now. It's like buying, you know, you have all these tech companies. Which ones do you want to buy? Back in 2005, well, you want to buy the Apples and the Googles, and I think Ethereum is going to be, you know, the Apple and the Google of the future for these cryptocurrencies, and possibly, you know, gain so much value that they even overtake a valuation, a market capitalization like Google and Apple. So, you know, with Russia, Japan, U.S. all supporting the blockchain, I think that, you know, you're going to be okay. If it does pull back, don't get scared. If you have more money, buy more at that time. If you can add margin, you know, on those pullbacks, I wouldn't play too much with margin because margin can get risky. You can lose a lot of value. If it does drop like it did the other day, yesterday, you know, you might get it in a margin call and they might sell you out at 315 and basically steal all your coins from you and run it right back up and make you buy back in at 380. So you know, it's let's see here what it's trading at right now. It is at, let's update this real quick just to make sure. It is at basically 388 right now. You know, that's a great buy considering it went up to 420 area. You know, and I think it's going to go up to 500, 700. You know, if you have money on the sidelines, you may wait for another dip. We just saw a dip in the last couple hours down to 375. You know, so don't chase it up is my recommendation. And you know, I'll try to put out more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and take care, and keep a watch over it. You know, check it, and if you're invested in something like this, you need to watch it as much as possible so that if it does pull back, you can sell out and you can buy lower if that's a possibility. So, you know, keep over it. Follow me on StockTwits under Super Hedgeman, or subscribe below and like this video, and I'll try to keep bringing you guys more valuable information. And thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your night.